my learning friends, it's Dr. Deanna again, and today I have some more sound fun for us. We've been listening to the sounds in our two sound words, but today we're going to take those sounds and we're going to use the letters to spell them. Okay, get out your super listening superpowers because we're going to use them to listen to our sounds and to think about the letters that go with the sounds and write them in our boxes. If you have a whiteboard and a marker, with your grown-ups' permission, you can do this with me. Some of you might be using just a plain piece of paper, and that is great. That is perfect. And then you might use a crayon or another type of marker made for paper. Make sure to ask for your grown-ups' permission and ask them what is okay for you to use. If you're using a marker, it is super important to make sure that you put that cap back on because we don't want the marker to run out of ink. We want to make sure that our markers can be used for a very long time. All right, so I'm going to throw the word to you and you're going to catch it just like it came through the computer screen. Are you ready? Here's the word. The first word is an. Did you catch it? An. All right. Sounds in my words. Sounds in my words. Sounds in my words. These are all the sounds I heard. Okay, what did you hear at the beginning of an? And did you hear the ah? So we're going to go to our first box right there. And we're going to write the A that says ah. And when we write our A, we go up and around and down and then back up and a line. There's our A. So we have ah. What did we hear next? Did you hear the N? So we write an N. We start at the top here. We go down and a bump. And there we have the word and. So now we're going to use our reading finger. You can get your reading finger out just like this. And we're going to touch each sound and blend it together. An. And just like that, you can become a speller and a reader. You're on your way. Now, what if I decide I want to take that n off and I want to make it the word at? At. Sounds in my words. At. Sounds in my words. At. Sounds in my words. These are all the sounds I heard. Okay, well, I still hear that ah, but now I hear a at. What sound, what letter makes the sound t? Do you hear the T? And we can take our marker or our crayon or writing utensil that we have permission to use, and we can make a T in the box. Just like that. At. All right, but maybe I want to make it a different word, and I can change one sound, and I can make it a whole new word. What if I take that t off? And now I put an The M says just like that. Am. I changed one letter and I made a whole new word. Okay, now it's time to erase all of the letters. If you have a little eraser, which I actually do, you can use that too. All right. Here's my next word. Go ahead, get ready to catch it. Up. Did you catch it? Up. Okay. Up. Sounds in my words, p. Sounds in my words, p. Sounds in my words. These are all the sounds I heard. What did you hear at the beginning? Did you hear the Okay, what letter says The U. If you said U, you are absolutely correct. And it's the first sound we hear, so we put it in the first box. The U is a scoop and a line, and everything's fine. P. What sound do you hear next? Do you hear the p? And the P is a monkey letter. It's a little tricky on my board because I don't have a lot of space down there, but the P usually hangs down into the basement. Okay, all right, we just do our best. So we're going to put that cap back on, and here we go. P. Sounds in my words, p. Sounds in my words, p. Sounds in my words. These are all the sounds I heard. So now we can blend it. Up, up. And just like that, we become a speller and a reader. All right, we can take our eraser and we can try another word. The next word, get ready to catch it. I've got to put my board down so I can toss it to you. Here we go. In. Sounds in my words. Sounds in my words. Sounds in my words. These are all the sounds I heard. All right, what sound do you hear at the beginning? Did you hear the I? Now you gotta think inside that brain. What sound makes that I? The I. So we take our board and we write our I. It's just a little line and a dot. In. Do you hear that N sound? What letter says N? It's the N. So we write our N, just like that. And now we have I, N. Blend it in. But maybe I want to change one sound and make a whole new word. So if I take away this N and I want to make it it. Well, I still have an I. But now I need a t. I, t. What letter says the t sound? Is it the T? Thumbs up. Okay, I'm going to write my T. I go straight down and make a line right there. That is my T, and my T says t. It. Sounds in my words. It. Sounds in my words. It. Sounds in my words. These are all the sounds I heard. All right, let's blend it. Here we go. It. Blend it. I've had so much fun today blending words today and practicing our 2-sound words. I'll see you next time when I teach to your superpowers, one child at a time.